Morning students, today we will study subject maths, chapter 5, topic understanding elementary shape. Before I start exercise 5.7, first we understand some important points. Points to remember. Here is many types of quadrilateral. So first type of quadrilateral is rectangle. Students, you know very well about rectangle. We already studied in standard 5th and previous chapter also. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. All angles are rectangle and diagonals bisect each other. So property of rectangle is, first property, each angle is right angle. Opposite sides are equal. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Second type of quadrilateral is square. You know square also very well. All side of square is equal. All angle, it means each angle is right angle. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So properties of square is, each angle is right angle. All the sides are equal. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular to each other. Here perpendicular, I explained you before. Perpendicular, it means two line segment. Here see, first P and R, S and Q. Both line segment bisect at 90 degree. So they are perpendicular. Here our diagonals PR and SQ bisect at 90 degree. So they are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Third type is parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. See AD and BC. AB and BC. Opposite sides are parallel. They do not meet in any point. So they are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Then fourth is rhombus. Properties of rhombus is, all the sides are equal. The diagonals bisect each other and are perpendicular to each other. Fifth type of quadrilateral is trapezium. Properties of trapezium is, first, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. It means only one pair, P and Q, S and R are parallel. So now we start exercise 5.7. In exercise 5.7, question number 1 is true or false. So it is given in your PDF. So we start exercise 5.7 with question number 2. Give reasons for the following. First is, a square can be thought of as a special rectangle. स्क्वायर है वो स्पेशल रेक्टेंगल है. So answer is, a square fulfills all the properties of a rectangle. That is, all its angles are right angle and its opposite sides are equal. So a square can be considered as a special rectangle which has all its sides equal. Then second, a rectangle can be thought of as a स्पेशल पैरेललोग्राम. क्या रेक्टेंगल है वो स्पेशल पैरेललोग्राम है न? तो उसका रीजन है, दिस रीजन इज a rectangle fulfills all the properties of parallelogram. That is, its opposite sides are parallel and its opposite sides are equal. So, rectangle can be considered as a special parallelogram in which all angles are right angle. Third one, it means C1, a square can be thought of as a special rhombus. स्क्वायर है वो स्पेशल रोम्बस है, तो वो क्यों है उसका रीजन देना है. सो अवर आंसर इज अ रोम्बस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटर which has all its sides equal. A square fulfill this condition, so square can be considered as a special rhombus which has all its angles as right angle. Then D1, square, rectangles, parallelogram are all quadrilaters. स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, पैरेललोग्राम क्वाड्रिलेटर्स है, तो वो क्यों है उसका रीजन देना है. द रीजन इज द स्क्वायर्स, रेक्टेंगल एंड पैरेललोग्राम आर polygons of four sides. I explained you polygon in chapter number 4. So polygon of four sides and polygons of four sides are quadrilateral. Therefore, square, rectangles and parallelogram are quadrilaters. E. Square is also a parallelogram. स्क्वायर है वो पैरेललोग्राम है, तो उसका रीजन देना है. द रीजन इज ऑपोजिट्स ऑफ स्क्वायर आर पैरेलल एंड इक्वल. दिस मीन्स अ स्क्वायर फुलफिल्स all the properties of a parallelogram. So a square is also a parallelogram. Question number 3. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? Our answer is yes, we can identify. A square is a regular quadrilateral since all its sides are equal in length and all its angles are equal in measure. Now I start exercise 5.8. Before we understand some important points to remember. The point is polygon. I explained you polygon in chapter number 4. Now we remember what is the polygon. A polygon is a plane closed figure made of line segments. We know that a triangle and a quadrilateral are polygon of 3 sides and 4 sides respectively. It means triangle have 3 sides and rectangle and square have 4 sides. Such type of quadrilateral are said to be a polygon. We shall now consider polygon having more sides. Polygons are named according to the numbers of sides. First is pentagon. Pentagon have 5 sides. So if we say pentagon, see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Numbers of sides 6 and it is hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 heptagon 7 side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 side. Octagon it means 8 side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 side. It means it is a octagon. Let's start exercise 5.8. Examine whether following are polygons If any one among them is not, say why. Here is all four figure in given your textbook. आपको इसमें से बताना है कौन सा पॉलीगॉन है या नहीं है. नहीं है तो उसका हमें रीजन देना है why. Here is first figure. See, this is open from this side and polygon have closed figure, but here is open figure, so it is an open figure, so it is not a polygon. Here is 6 side, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and it is closed figure, so it is polygon. The answer is the figure is a polygon. 6 line segment, closed figure, so hexagon. Third one is this circle. It is closed figure, but it is not made with line segment, so it is not a polygon. So our answer is it is closed figure, but not made of line segments, so it is not polygon. Fourth one, see this figure. Here is 2 line segment, but this side is not a line segment. So our answer is all the sides of the figure are not line segment, so it is not a polygon. Question number 2, name each polygon. हमें उसका नाम बताना है एंड 2 more example, और ऐसे सेम टू सेम 2 और एग्जाम्पल देके हमें ड्रॉ करना है. See figure 1 2 3 and 4 sides. So this is a quadrilateral. The given figure is polygon with 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. So given figure is a quadrilateral. So we draw different type of quadrilateral with 4 sides, 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 and 3 and 4. Second is, you see, it is triangle. The given polygon is a triangle. So we draw another 2 triangle, 1 2 and 3, and such way it is triangle. Third one is, the given figure is pentagon. Pentagon, it means 5 sides. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5 sides. So we draw in such way. This is octagon. The given polygon is octagon. 2 more example. So we draw this in different 2 way. First way, we just change the position here to in this side. So we will get this type of octagon. Count your sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Then this also octagon. It is horizontal. We will draw in vertical. So we will get this type of figure. Question number 3. Draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon connecting any 3 of its vertices. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of triangle. Here say regular hexagon. Regular hexagon, it means its 6 sides are equal in length. So we will draw one hexagon with equal length. So we write answer A B C D E F. A B C D E N F. Its vertex is regular hexagon by connecting the vertices A, C and E. A to C, C to E, E to A. We get an equilateral triangle. Before I start exercise 5.9, first we remember some important points to remember. Here 3-dimensional shapes. 3-dimension shape are called solid shapes. Here first shape is given. This is ball. The ball is sphere. This shape. This cane is cylinder. This playing dice is cube. This playing dice in cube shape. Here, cone ice cream is the form of cone. This box is cuboid. This is the shape of pyramid. Yes, let's we understand cube. What is the cube? Each side of a cube is a flat surface called its face. Here is its face. There are 6 faces in cube. In cube have 6 faces. 2 faces meet at a line segment called an edge. There are 12 edges. Means this portion is edge. In cube have 12 edges. Their edges meet at a point called a vertex. There are 8 vertices. This is its vertex, and cube have 8 vertices. Triangular prism. A triangular prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. It has 9 edges and 6 vertices. It is square pyramid. Square pyramid has a square shaped base. It has 1 square face and 4 triangular faces. Cylinder. A cylinder has 2 flat circular faces and a curved surface. It has 2 curved edges and does not have any vertex. Cone. A cone has a flat circular face and a curved surface. It has curved edge and a vertex. Sphere. Sphere has only a curved surface. It has no edges and no vertex. Now we start exercise 5.9 with question number 2. First question is match the pairs. It's your homework and it's given in your PDF. So question number 2 is what shape is? First, your instrument box. The shape of instrument box is cuboid. A brick. The shape of a brick is cuboid. Matchbox. The shape of matchbox is cuboid. A road roller. The shape of road roller is cylinder. A sweet laddu. The shape of sweet laddu is sphere.